Hello everyone, so this week has been the AI week for me. Why? You may be asking. Okay, how is the project, Matthias? Don't ask that, okay? Don't ask me that. Let's talk about more powerful things. Let's talk about more cool things I can show you, okay? Because the application right now, I've been doing some backend as last week, but the front end it's still frozen. So, right now you should be looking at my screen. So what do you have here, Matthias? What is this? Okay, hear me out. So I just bought Claude Code Max and a vibecoding. Okay, I've been trying to vibecode. I know what I said in the last videos that I will not rely on AI, and that's true. But I wanted to try this new trend of vibecoding just to see what happens. So I've ended with this application that it's what is this application, Matthias? Can you explain it, please? It's basically a flashcard app for studying. So you come here, as you can see, you can click into add your first card. So I don't know, YouTube is difficult, and the answer is yes. So you add the card, you add another card. For example, you can say here bytecode, you can here say is awful. Okay, so we have a deck with two cards. We click here and start study. So now you say YouTube is difficult. Now, fuck, it is. And you say okay, it was hard. Now bytecode. What does it mean? Bytecode, I don't like it. It's awful. Hey, let's go. It was easy. You come here, session complete. So now you have a study deck for studying, obviously more serious things than the things I just showed you. So you can go here back to decks, you can create, and this is a book, this is a bug. I don't know why it's like that, but you can come here, create another deck, deck 2, okay? And you can keep it going. So this took me 2 projects and like 15 iterations of an agentic system of Claude Codes, of a team of Claude Code sub-agents working at the same time on the application. It was awful because at some point we were finding basically an error of animated components. Maybe it was the flipping the card, and that animation was causing a running error. That running exception was when immediately and the moment I opened the app, so I couldn't run it. But as I was vibecoding, I said, okay, I'm gonna turn off my brain as to the highest. I don't want to think. I want to see how it is to vibecode. It took me like 3 hours to fix the error. Now, I've been wondering now, would I have solved that error faster if I wasn't vibecoding that hard? Maybe, I don't know. I also believe it was kind of my fault because I steered the AI, I guided the AI into believing it was maybe a Tailwind error, because I had an experience in the past recently. I think I thought was what it was with the application I'm doing in the channel, in the YouTube channel. So the time tracking application I'm doing at the beginning, it had Tailwind, but I don't know why it crashed the whole project. So I removed Tailwind from my project. So I believe that the error we were facing, the agents and me, was about Tailwind. So I said to the AI, maybe it's Tailwind, and the AI fixated on that as hard as it could. So 15 iterations to solve an error that at the end was an animated component thing. I don't even know what exactly the error was because, as I told you, I just bytecode this up. I haven't invested a single brain cell in this application, okay? The whole effort has gone to building the workflow of the agentic workflow, but apart from that, anything more. So Matthias, this is all you have been doing this week to turn off your brain? No, hear me out. I'm gonna open the camera because you can't see that, because I'm not sharing this screen, but I done this too. And you said, okay, Matthias, another vibecoded application, perfect. No. I didn't bytecode this app, okay? I did not. This is a chatbot, okay, using LangChain, that basically can search on the internet, okay? So you can say here, what's the new tool agentation? What's the new tool agentation? And probably the AI, because I already tested this, is gonna tell me that agentation is not a tool, okay, yes. But now I will say it is search it on X. Oh. Now the agent, the AI, the LangChain agent, it's going to search on the web and look for the agentation. And now you can see it got it right, because this agent has access to the internet. I did the application with this, basically, LangChain, React, Python for the agent, TypeScript, Tailwind. Here Tailwind worked because it's web, it's not mobile, so yeah. I've also did that. So you can be proud of me, okay? Also, I'm developing another application for a hackathon, so I've been also doing that. I'm meeting with my teammates, but that's not something I can talk about here. And another thing I can show you, it's that I've been working in the backend of my manual application, the application I'm not bytecoding. And this application, it's a time tracking app. If you have not seen my previous videos, I have create projects, okay? Create milestone, I have create task, and get project and milestones, and list all projects. So basically, I think it's clearer if I just draw it. So this is my backend, okay? This is my backend. So basically right now we can create if you don't know what this application is about, it's you come here, you have your projects, you can create one. So you come to a form, create the project, come back, then click in the project, okay? And then go here, okay? So this is your project, you can create milestones, you create one milestone for the project, you create it, click it, then go here, and the same process for the task, okay? So it's basically an application for, it's a productivity application for time tracking tracking your time invested in your projects. Okay, now after a brief introduction, so this is my backend right now, okay? So we have list projects, which would be this. So what I wanted to tell you is that, I mean, the application it's quite has moved forward quite a lot. However, I just need to program the front end. That's basically what it's left. So we have this, and this, and this, and this, and well, we can, this not because I need to get the endpoints. So I need this is left. So this is left, obviously, and obviously all the timings and deletes. So, I mean, the project, it's good, but it's slower than bytecoding, obviously. I'm not relying on AI for this project. So yeah, that's the current state. And I've been tweeting a lot in X. So you can follow me on X because I'm sharing all my journey here, okay? You can see I have this video and I'm like tweeting a lot about you see here the application and what I'm studying. You can also follow me in LinkedIn. I'm not that active. I mean, I'm posting daily, but LinkedIn is more for like I mean, you can see I have some similar posts, but I post things like this, like news and some comments, and I interact with people, so you can follow me here too. So yeah, that's basically all for today. I mean, at least I have something to show you. That's what was haunting me these past few videos, that I didn't have anything shiny to show. Now you can see that. Look at this. I mean, let's go. YouTube is difficult. Yeah, baby. I don't know. So, well, I want to show you one more thing, okay? Look at this. Look at this for a second, okay? I want to share with you this. So, Claude Code. I bought the top subscription, okay? And this is basically my system for developing, for running Claude Code and me going for a walk. So basically what I've done, I think I'm gonna talk about this in another video, it's just too much, okay? And the Claude.md now is only 300 lines, okay? This is outdated, so it's a system, I like the system, okay? I will talk about it in another video. So yeah, that's for this week. I hope you like it. See you soon, and let's stay connected.